Hey everyone, we're going to take out some staples from a full knee replacement that occurred about 20 days ago. You can take out staples starting at the 14th day all the way up to the 28th day. It literally is a doctor's preference, so just listen to your doctor. But this is how to avoid going into a doctor for a follow-up regarding just to take the staples out and for them to charge you, your deductible. And it's really, really simple and it costs less than $5. First thing you need to do is buy what I'm holding here, and that's a skin staple remover. You can get them on medical resellers, sell also on eBay and Amazon. Literally costs less than $5, including shipping. And they'll come in this sterile pack right here. You'll just open it up and pull out your staple remover plier. And it is really simple, and more importantly, it's pain-free. As you can see right here, it is a very unique device where you see the two claws there on the bottom. That's what's going to slide underneath the staple. Once you engage the plier, it basically crimps it in the middle, which pulls both the left and the right side of the staple out. Literally pain-free. I've only had a few staples in my life, and I've had a lot of different replacements that actually hurt. And it's really simple and straightforward. So let me show you some examples. So right now, what's good is you want to move around your staples a little bit and massage them so they're not stuck to your skin. But I'm going to start out with a more difficult one that's really embedded. So you're going to stick the two underneath, just like that. See if I can get you a good view. And you literally just crimp down, and they pop right out. And really simple. We'll do a few more. Go up underneath, push down, and that one had a little bit of a sting to it, not a big deal though. And just so you guys know, let's look at the actual staple itself. Once it's pulled out, and there's the cramp there in the middle, and it comes straight out. So again, really simple, straightforward process. It'll save you a physical therapy visit or a doctor's visit, save you a little bit of money. Again, $5. Don't be intimidated by it. It's really, really simple, straightforward. Hope this helps. Take care.